Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing our April BOXYCHARM unboxing. I have my box right here. I just opened it up to get it all ready and see what I needed to do. So I am only wearing foundation right now because I saw that there's like this weird concealer product that I want to try. So let's just jump right into it. So the concealer thing is called Dragon Beauty Dragonfire Color Corrector. It's $25, which is how much the box is. So we already covered the worth of the box, and it says it helps conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes with vitamin E and vitamin A, blends effortlessly, light to full coverage, and it says use with a flat concealer brush or beauty sponge. Oh, and then it said to apply your foundation after, but like, who does that anymore? It's like purple, so I'm really scared, which is why I decided to try it. Because, like, why not? BOXYCHARM reviews are always crazy because the colors never match. So I'm like, whatever, let's just do what we gotta do. The packaging is super cute and, like, basic, which I like. Okay, let's take it out. It's literally purple. It's super sticky. It feels really thick, like something that you would not normally put under your eye. Let's see. Lately I've just been using a foundation brush to blend out my concealers. Oh. Well, it actually, oh, you know what? I should have done one eye and not the other. What was I thinking? So I could compare. What's wrong with me? That actually does look brighter than usual, though, doesn't it? Like, maybe that's, oh, wow. It actually blends out, like, way, way easier than I expected. Oh, that's definitely brighter than usual. Wow, I actually feel like it low-key does a really good job of canceling out the dark circles. And I was going to, well, purple, yeah, no, you would think it would have to be orange to cancel out the dark circles. But I feel like it did a good job. And it blended out mad quick. Wow, I don't really have any blemishes to try it on, but dang, I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Now I need to just finish my makeup real quick, and then I'll come back and try the rest of the stuff. Okay, that took me a solid 2 seconds. Now let's get back to seeing what we want to try next. I know there's an eyeshadow palette, so I want to try that. It says it's the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette. $48, so 40, 50, 65, like 70 something. I know I'm terrible at math. You don't have to remind me. I know. But we're at like 70, I think, something so far. And Natasha Denona is I'm trying to say the word fabulous. It's a fabulous brand, but these are like some really random colors. So this is what? A nude, a coral, a yellow, a black, and a green. I'm not really sure what it wants me to do with this, but I'll try. Obviously, when you get stuff like this, you can mix with other palettes to make good looks, but you guys know that for BOXYCHARM, I like to just use what I have in front of me because I want to be able to replicate something that you would be able to replicate if this was the only makeup that you owned. That black is just asking me to swatch it. Oh my god. Whoa, it has like a blue shimmer undertone to it. Kind of reminds me of that Kai Majesty lip color that went viral a long time ago. Okay, I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start by taking the only nude. There is a lot of fallout. It is super soft. And I'm going to, well, it's a little darker than you would typically like for a transition shade. But I'm using it as a transition shade anyways because I'm not sure what else to do with these random colors. Okay. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. And now is where we get stuck. So I would say what would be really pretty is using a nice dark gray on the outer corner, or like a deep blue, or like a dark green, and then taking this and putting it on the center. But we're not left with like any options. Like none of this goes together at all. So what do we do? I don't know. Like this would not look good with this in my opinion because this has a deep blue undertone and this is like a seafoam green. The seafoam green, the yellow, and the coral is the best I'm seeing come out of this. So I'm going to take, I just dropped a brush. I'm going to take this coral on a dense fluffy brush that picks up a lot of pigment. And I'm going to stamp this all over, wow, the outer corner and center of the lid. I wasn't expecting that to be so pigmented, but it's Natasha Denona. I should expect that. I'm actually going to take the little concealer that we got in this, and I'm going to do a cut crease. Why not? They wanted to give me rough colors. I'm gonna make it work. So I'm gonna take a flat top brush. This is not, I was gonna say it's not the best concealer to do a cut crease with, but it's good enough. It gets thicker as it dries. So you're just gonna swipe it kind of all over the inner corner and just trace the crease of your eyeball. I have really big, bulgy eyes, so it makes it a little bit easier for me. And it really starts to get sticky and tacky as you spread it, which is perfect for a cut crease look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the yellow on a flat top brush, and I'm going to stamp it all over where I put that concealer. Once you've got it stamped on, then I will start to kind of swipe a little bit, but I like to stamp it on first to make sure it sticks all over that concealer. And we can swipe. Very, very beautiful. It's got such a nice shimmer to it. I actually think it goes in really nicely. If I drop my brush, I think it goes in really nicely to the coral. I'm just gonna blend that line a little bit, make it blend in. I'm now going to take an angled brush, and I'm gonna take that shimmery coral, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. What do we think? I kind of feel like I did a good job given the circumstances. Like, I feel like you wouldn't look at this palette and expect to get this look. I think that's actually really pretty. Cool. I'm a little bit proud of myself. I usually haven't gone this hard in a BOXYCHARM video in a long time. And you see how quickly I did that on my eyes too? Great shadows, great quality, super pigmented. They're soft and they have a decent amount of fallout, but nothing too crazy. You just take a big fluffy brush and go whoo whoo, and you're good. I really like this. Let me know if you want to see me do something else. It's gonna be tough to do something else, but cute. I really like it. I'm so sorry if you can see literal skin falling all over my face. I got like 12 spray cans before I went to Miami, and they're like simultaneously peeling off at the same time, so please ignore. Okay, moving on. Let's see. Okay, so we have a lipstick in here, and I'm honestly very scared because BOXYCHARM is notorious for putting like lipstick colors in that don't match the eyeshadow. This is the, where are you? Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. That's weird. I did not know they made a baked lipstick. That just sounds dry and crusty, but $21. So we're at like 80, 90 something. We're way over the price of the box this month. So that's cool. I'm a little nervous for this. Basic packaging. Oh. It's like textured. It's got kind of a cool texture. It really doesn't go the eyeshadow. But when does BOXYCHARM ever send us anything that ever matches? Never. It's sparkly in the tube. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's actually really sparkly in the tube. And you can almost feel the grits on your lip. Oh, whoa, you can see the sparkles on my lips a lot. Weird. You can see the sparkles. BOXYCHARM does this every time. They put the worst colors together, and it bothers me so much because I always look ridiculous in the thumbnail, but whatever, do it for the YouTube review. It's a beautiful color, beautiful texture, beautiful finish. I actually really, really like it. I just hate the way that it looks with this eyeshadow, but it's really moisturizing, and it feels matte, but it looks like it's got a gloss. So I actually really do like this. Okay, next. Terry DeMar's Reddition Body Cleanser, $22. That's not what that is. That's this body cleanser. That's kind of interesting. So it's for the body, not the face. Organic, low-foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. Cool. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Is it black? No, it's not. It's clear. Oh my god. It smells like citrus pez. That smells so good. I'm going to put that in my shower. I'm setting that aside to put in my shower immediately. So that's cool. Very last thing that we have is the Earth Harbor Naturals Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampule. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing... By the way, that thing was $22. I don't know if I said that. Sea greens, cannabis sativa, hemp oil, grapeseed oil, neem seed. Don't know what that is. Energizes and soothes the skin for $32. So we are well over $100 this month, which is great. You know, it's nice to know that you're getting your money's worth. Oh, it's one of these little guys. It's green, which is like, I feel like this is going to look cool in my skincare collection because it's green. Superfood. I like that, you know. Let me see what it says again. I read it to you guys, but I'm not actually paying attention. Okay, I like this because this is like the kind of oil that you can just put on your face and you know that it's going to help your skin. Because sometimes I go in my skincare drawer and I look at all of these things I have and I'm like, what does what? Like, I get confused. And at least it's nice to know this is simply just a good thing to put on your face. Oh. It smells like... Actually, it smells good. It smells very organic. It just smells like a nice natural smell. Like a smoothie or something. Cool. I think I'm happy with this month. I don't like the way my face looks right now just because the colors don't really go together. But all in all, I'm pleased with each item individually. They just like freak me out combined together. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are if you got a box with such weird items in it this month. I was a little late posting it. I actually got mine a few days ago, I think. I live in an apartment complex and sometimes I look at packages and I'm like, no, that's not mine, but it was. And I also have the Boxy looks as well. If you guys want me to do a separate video on the Boxy looks, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in the comments down below. Bye.